Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you remove wrinkles, skin whitening, get rid of sagging skin and get fair, spotless, glowing skin, get rid of fine lines, dark spots, black spots, and get fair, spotless, and glowing skin. This magical remedy works for wrinkles, for fine lines, for sagging skin, and it gives an amazing results from first use. It bleaches the skin and it whitens the skin tone naturally. By using that remedy 3 times a week, you will achieve the best results. So keep using the remedy for at least 1 month to get the best results ever. So my friends, before we start out, it's a kind of request. If you're not subscriber to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get all notified when I upload a new video, and give that video like, don't forget that. So my friends, the first ingredient we need to add is 2 teaspoons of rice flour, and get the rice and grind it fine into a powder, and add 2 teaspoons of rice flour, then we need to add around a half teaspoon of baking soda, and you can use baking powder instead. Then my friends, we need to add a magical ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Here I'm using market aloe vera gel, you can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of white toothpaste, around that much. Then we need to add around 2 teaspoons of natural milk, and mix well all the ingredients. Once we end up with a cream paste like so, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin, apply it on face, on hands, on feet, on any place that you want to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, and you want to get fair, spotless, and glowing skin. It's super effective, super helpful, and it works 100%. Leave it on your skin for 15 minutes, then rinse it with water. Don't wash it with soap, rinse it just with water, and you will going to notice a great results from first use.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.